Today we're going to be working on a 2020 Mercedes C-Class. We're going to be showing off the WiLinq product, which will do wired to wireless Android Auto, and we'll go ahead and show you how to connect that. So the first step to get connected will be doing the wired connection first, just to make sure everything's set up between the phone and the factory radio. So go ahead and do that here. And we should also get a Bluetooth prompt for this radio. And now that that's fully connected, we can go ahead and move on to the WiLinq. So now that we've got the wired Android Auto working, we can go ahead and connect the WiLinq now. We plug it into the Type-C on top. We'll be using the same cable. And from here, you're going to look on your phone for WiLinq. So we'll do that now. There we go. And once we've paired to that, the Android Auto should go through now. And that's how you connect the WiLinq.